Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to bypass Windows 11's requirement using Rufus. You need Rufus and the 16 GB of larger USB flash drive. Get the latest version of Rufus from the official website. Then insert a black 16 GB USB. Open Rufus and select your USB and your device. Under Boot section, choose Disk or ISO image. Click Download, choose Windows 11 and select your language and version. Once the ISO download is complete, choose Extend Windows 11 installation from the image option drop-down to bypass TPM and other requirements. Just verify the correct USB is selected and click Start to write Windows 11 to your USB. After the process completes, use this USB to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.